Hey everybody, welcome to Tiny Wonderland. This is Jay. I am in Orem, Utah at my friend Hank's house. And as you probably know, when you travel a lot, especially a tiny home, sometimes you come by friends' houses. We're going in a hole, hang on! Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We're cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for Cargo Trailer Conversion, or Cargo Trailer Camper, or Cargo Trailer Crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children, I would thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
You know, maybe you stay in your tiny home and visit them, but Hank lives in a apartment complex. I don't know if we can't really see this train station out there, but almost looks like that might be, I don't know if that's it. Anyway, so this is my setup. It's an air bed. Got Gus over here, gallivanting eater. That's my Baywatch and my laptop. Hank brought the TV in. I'm getting ready to take a shower. So it's a beautiful place. I mean, as you can see, you got nice. I wish I had this in the tiny home, maybe in a future life, but flush that. You always come prepared when you're tiny. Got the comb. You know, when you live, Hank's like, oh, I'm sorry, it's a mess. I was like, Hank, come on. You know, when you live in a tiny home, nothing's a mess. I got the shaving cream, comb, just put my razor together. This is, oh, hi. You guys never see my face, so I'm like, hi there. This is Jay from Tiny Wonderland. I feel like an idiot talking into this thing. Anyway. Well, that's my stock alert. Apparently I either lost or gained money, I don't know, but now, the interesting thing about what I'm going to tell you guys is that you can travel with these on an airplane, and all they are is straight razors, and I'll show you what they are. Hold on. You guys might find this interesting. See, all they are is blades. I use Von Hagen's, but the interesting thing is you can travel with these on an airplane if they are positioned such like that. When they go through the scanner just sees them as something that looks similar to this. If you lay them like this with the word razor blade written on them, that's why you'll notice that this was turned around in reverse like that. Then they will get picked up. Depending on the airport, you can sometimes leave this right in the razor, but I've had times when they've been like, hey, gotta search your bag, and they always go for this razor. They never go for these. And I'll show you where I keep these. I keep these right in here in my hard drive case, so it looks like another USB when it goes to the scanner. Now, because I'm not a terrorist and I have no interest in taking down planes, I don't feel like this is too bad, but I'm not encouraging anyone to sneak anything through security, believe me. So I want to tell you about this razor real quick, and then I'm going to go and do my personal stuff. The razor, I purchased this razor in 2014, and I did say that, 2014. I have not used a disposable razor since. The cool thing is that when you change out the blade, you keep the razor. The razor is about $70, and they have a really good a large amount of weight, so they do a really clean cut, but they have no guards, okay? It says no forgiveness, so when you nick, you bleed hardcore on this. Okay, so that's, but I've probably spent the 70 on this in 2014, and I haven't actually bought a razor since. So the blade's $5 to $6 to $10, depending on how fancy you get. And they have, in the back here, you see this? You stick the used blades down in here, and then when you're done, you just dispose of the cartridge. But I almost never run out of these things, so because I shave very frequently. Toothpaste, toothbrush, floss, which you can't see. It says Menta on it, which means it was purchased in Mexico, and I am about halfway through it. And I don't know where I picked this guy up. I think this comes from the days when I was living in Florida, and I was in that abusive relationship, and I was always having to go to the street, so I had, you know, spare deodorants and backpacks hidden all over the town just in case my ex kicked me out. But that's another story for another time, which we're not going to get into. So I am going to go and take my... I haven't had a shower in a while. I really haven't had a bath. I'll probably go with a shower because it's quicker. So I'm going to go do my hygiene, get this done. And tomorrow we make Cedar City, Utah, where all kinds of cool stuff will happen. But that's another day and another episode. This is Jay from Tiny Wanderland saying, see you on the next video.